Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Halloween. Yep, it's that time of year. Okay, but really, it's a lot of fun. Sometimes you wear costumes your mom makes you. Other times you wear store-bought costumes. Being the extra creative child I am, I buy costumes. Technically my parents buy them for me, but I'm the one wearing them, so I even have a costume that was for Irina's YouTube video. Go check it out. I didn't take into account that I might wear this on Halloween, and I definitely didn't take into account the weather. When I wore the goddess costume, it was nice and sunny and beautiful. Now, it's almost as if the weather is getting ready for Halloween. I'm not a big fan of Halloween. I used to love it, and it was my favorite holiday, but now Christmas is. The reason why is because, 1, I no longer have an appetite for candy. I used to gorge on it. Anyone who knows me can tell you that. After not eating it for a bit, it's sickening. It's not even just candy, it's just sweets in general. One time, my math teacher, this was a while ago, brought in donuts right before we took our test. The bread, combined with the sugar, gave me a headache. I took, no joke, 1 bite and my head exploded. I like scaring myself, but my younger sister gets nightmares easily, and my older sister doesn't have a taste for making her soul leave her body temporarily, so I can't go to haunted houses. Also, it's not really the haunted houses that scare me, it's the jump scares. That's what gets me. A unicorn could pop out of nowhere and I still would jump. It's just that unexpected part. I totally understand how people, especially children, love Halloween. But now, with a pandemic, I'm just gonna stick with eating popcorn and watching a scary movie inside. So if you plan on trick-or-treating, have fun. I hope you get lots of candy. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out at Soso Digital Art. Thanks for watching. Bye!